Hello, this clip will solve the problem. Login cannot access user in the domain. It will be shown in the picture. The trust relationship between this workstation and the primary domain failed. Currently, it will continue. When the host machine, Joy domain is located or your organization uses the domain, the solution is the host, the T800 connector. Please remove the machine from the domain as a workgroup first after it is a workgroup and then restart the machine. One round, then come to use T800 connect first. After connecting, let host come back and join domain again and restart the machine again. Now T800 will be able to connect using user on domain. Yes, thank you.